This is sweeping out the garage full of the water. I got it on video, Mum.
Yep.
Shut up. Watch out. Move. This. That's the backyard. That's it all the way over there. And the water coming out from in there. And from in the track that Shep made. That's all water here. Oh, inside my shoes are drenched. Swing set. Oh, under here's gotten better from before. When it was pelting down and everything was floating. At least it's not as flooded down here anymore. That black thing belongs on a pipe. Right over there. This is all that water coming around. Comes around and it goes. I'm even stepping in it just to show you. But, ooh. All the way out that way. I'll go around this way and show you that it goes all the way. Yuck, I hate coming through here. That way. And that ball right there, that was out the back originally. So, it doesn't belong out here. All under here is wet, but not as bad as out the back. And all out here is all wet. My shoes are squeaking because they're full of water. Coming down the driveway. Our driveway has moved. And I suppose it's better out here again than it was before. But that's coming to our driveway. On our driveway. And leaving our driveway. And you can't even see past it. It's dirty as. Before, over here where this watermark is over here, that water was flowing down. It was like whoosh, like a shower. Or a waterfall. I am saturated. See? Shouldn't be that colour. That's what's underneath our driveway. Pieces are missing of our driveway now. Well, our side driveway anyway. At first when we came home, all here was flooded. We had to walk through the gate like hugging the wall, because if I was to stand here, it would have been up to my ankles. It's just had time to drain away. And yeah.